So in this video, we will learn about all the props that we can use with the view component. View is the very basic component. We use it almost in all our applications because we return one view, and in that view we create our all the designing and styling. So in this video we will see the props that are provided to us by React Native. So just create a React Native project and open it on Visual Studio Code. I already opened the iOS simulator. If you are running it on Windows machine, then you can run it on Android simulator. And by default, one view is created. I have created a style. It's called container. And in styles.js file, we will use all the props. First of all, the very basic one is background color. We can provide any background color. Let's say red. We need to provide flex is 1. We have separate video already on flex and how to use flex. We provide some padding. Let's say 20. Margin 20. Let me provide margin to 50. So the next prop is border bottom width. Here we can provide border over here and control the width. Let me say 10. As you can see the width over here. Let me just increase it to 20. And just like that you can provide border on each of side. Let's say border top width 10, border left width 30, border right width say 15. As you can see, now we can also change the color of this individual border. Let's say border bottom color, let me change it to yellow. As you can see, it changed to yellow. Just like that we can provide coloring to each of the side. Border top color, let's say blue. Border left color will be orange, and border right color will be green. Let me just save it. As you can see, each side has now individual color. Now we can also provide the radius of individual corner or say border. Let's say border bottom left radius, it means this radius, that means 20. As you can see, let me just increase it, let's say 50. You can see the changes over here. Just like that, border bottom left radius, let me provide it to 70. Okay, we already provide the left hand side, now right hand side. As you can see, let me increase it to 100. as you can see, just like that. Border, top left radius, let's say 30, 80, as you can see. Now border, top right radius, let's say 50, as you can see. So this is how you can provide radius to individual border. Now if you want to provide the border radius or border width to all the uh, sides at once, and you need it to be the same, then you don't need to write the bottom, top, left and right individually. Let me just delete it first. Let me just save it. Now the border width is gone. Now I can simply write border width, let's say 30, and it will apply to all the side. We also don't need this. If you want all the side to be the same color, we can provide border color, as you can see. And if you want radius to be the same, then you can write border radius, it's at 30. Now it all the same, it is 0.90, just like. The another one is opacity. Opacity is the transparency of the view component. 0 means it will be non-visible, and 1 means it will be perfectly visible. You can provide 0.2, so it becomes slightly transparent. 5, 9, by default it will be 1 because we will see it completely. If I write 0, it will disappear. 0 point, let's say 4, just like that. So basically these are all the props that you can use with view component. These props are very basic. You can use it very easily, and you can also remember it very easily. So thanks for watching it.